I've got a fun, affordable style from Rene of Paris in a shocking color. Shocking. This is Rene of Paris LUCA in the color Truffle Ribbon R. This color looks nothing like the Swatch, which is why I'm glad I have it. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I'm here with Chiquel to bring you this review of LUCA. She is priced great. I think with my coupon code, you might be able to get her for under $100. Honestly, that's such a great price. So I'm really excited to tell you about this one. And if you're not here for the style, but you'd like to know about the color, because I've been curious about this color, you can skip ahead to the color segment, which is at the end of the video. It's time-stamped in the description box below. Just click on the time and I'll take you straight there. Chiquel is an online retailer that carries all the major name brands, and they're wonderful. They have sales constantly, discount codes, live sales, open box clearance, someone to watch for sure. Definitely check them out the next time you're in the market for a wig, or maybe you'd like to go snag yourself a LUCA. There is a link in the description and a coupon code. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. She's a doll. Now, of course, she's not going to be for everybody. Not everybody likes short or big, full curls. But she is really different, unique, and fun without question. Now, LUCA is made with a basic cap, otherwise known as a machine-made cap. So there is no lace front on this one. So you're definitely not wearing this with the hair up off your forehead. You do want to wear it with a full bang, and it does come with a full bang, and it is just full of curl. This does have some permatease, and it's very full on the top. It's not super pillowy permatease, but between the permatease and the fact that this curl lifts all of this hair up off the top, it does feel very full on the very top. If you struggle with that, you may already know this, I show it in a lot of videos, but my solution is a headband. Throw yourself on a headband. That's going to tamp it down, smooth it out. You can fluff it up behind the headband if you like. I think that's really cute, and I actually like to do that, but you don't have to. And then if you want to make sure there is a little bit of length here, not much, you can tuck that, you can leave it, but honestly, for me, just throwing a headband on changes everything when a wig is too poofy. And I have heard from, well, I have to imagine hundreds of wig sisters at this point who have reached out and said, I tried your headband trick and it worked like a charm. And you can see, I know you can see how much less volume this has now that I've done that. And all I did was throw a headband on and tame it. So if you're new and you're unsure what's going to work for you, and you don't know if a wig's going to feel too poofy, tuck this hack, if you will, into the back of your mind, because it truly is something you can do with just about any wig. I love them. I'll link some of these headbands down in the description box. The cloth ones are the best for that hack, I think. They're also really gentle on the wig fibers. This is made with regular synthetic fibers. So this is inside the cap. That's what I mean by a basic cap. No lace front, no monofilament, no lace. You're not going to see like natural scalp appearance on this. There's tons of hair sewn into these ear tabs. So you're going to get really good coverage. Even if the wig doesn't fit you great, it's going to give you a lot of coverage because of all that hair. We do have an extended nape right here. And then on this particular one, we've got the bra strap or pull adjusters to cinch it in. I don't find that those stay terribly well, so if you do find you have to cinch this one in so that it fits you and they just want to kind of creep back out, just throw a little stitch in there around the little, the thing it hooks through, the clasp, I don't know what that, I can't think of the name of it, and that'll keep it in place. But, you know, when I went to go show you inside the cap, I had the headband on, and now that I have it on without the headband, you can just see what a difference that really makes. So I would say, you know, this wig fits pretty tight. Honestly, I do not really have it cinched in, and I don't even think I would. I have a 21.5 circumference. I usually cinch the major name brands in a little bit. I'm not cinching this one. I do get some extra cap up here. So you can be quite a bit bigger than me on the top because I'm getting a lot of extra cap. I just don't fill it out. So you can be quite a bit bigger than me over the top. I just wouldn't be a lot bigger than me around your circumference. Maybe up to 22 should be fine, but I don't know if I would recommend this for bigger than 22. If you're used to wigs feeling tight, it does have stretch. I do think you can snip those adjusters and that will give you a little bit of extra room. This type of adjuster always has some tension on it, even if it's all the way let out. And I do have a video where I talk about that. So if you snip the adjusters, you are going to get, it will be a little looser on you. I just wouldn't do that unless it's really tight because you don't want to have it be too loose because then there's not much you can do about it. So if it's super tight and a wig has this type of adjuster, I think you're safe to snip it. I think I covered everything. That flew by. Well, if you have questions, let me know, but she's a cutie and I think you can style her with a headband and that'll work wonders. Let's talk about this color, Truffle Ribbon R. I cannot stress enough how different this color is from the swatch. Hopefully I'll remember and I will put the swatch up right now so you can see. It is so different. Maybe if I go here and I put the swatch up, it's just unbelievable to me. And that happens. It's not, Chiquel didn't do that. It's not their fault. It is just the inherent challenge with swatches. Heavily highlighted styles. You're not going to really be able to get the full effect of that in a swatch. And sometimes those swatches are made to show you all the different colors in there, but the application of the colors makes a humongous difference. In this case, the swatch looks really brown. It does not look, this has got a black base. You don't really get that vibe on the swatch. What we've got is an off black base with a warm medium brown and silver highlights. Absolutely. There is some brown in here, a little bit. It's very, very hard to see on this one. The swatch shows it. This wig doesn't show it a whole lot. I love the silver at the tips of these curls. I just think that's so striking. This is a very striking color. This is somebody who is graying and has an amazing colorist who is going to play up their gray but give them something fashionable. That's what I think of when I see this. It is really pretty. I would love to see this color on a longer style, on a straight style. It's gonna look completely different on a longer style than this. I would imagine completely different. So the trick about watching reviews of different wigs than you're looking at just to see the color is depending on the color, it can look extremely different. If it's a straight style versus a curly style, if it's an all one length versus a layered style. So this is giving you a little bit of what it could look like, but if the style you're looking at is vastly different than this, the color might look quite a bit different. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. Do not forget about Chiquel. I really hope this video helped. See you soon. I could not be more excited to see this color, Truffle Ribbon R. How fun. I just pulled this one out of the box. I've done nothing to her. This is the very, very first time I have ever seen this color. Maybe I could have smoothed her or something, but this is reality. This is how she came out of the box. This color, oh my gosh. How fun would this be on a longer piece? I might have to see if I can get my hands on a longer style in this color just to see how that all plays out. Because color can look so very different on different lengths. Straight versus curly or wavy. I do think this is a great color for curls. Wow. So fun. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.